or sustainability is designing efficient buildings that can produce their own energy and allow for the least damage. Basically, you build a design that a client have requested or wish to see by the help of your design. Thus, your design has to integrate some type of less damage to the environment. Your building have to create least damage and create its own energy. Okay? Now, the way you can do that is by your material, choosing recycled building materials. That is a huge part. Now, that's what sustainability is. Now, why do we want sustainable architecture or sustainable design, or why is it so important that it's a huge part of architecture? Well, that's a good question you ask. It is because the environment is not going to be able to take care of us if we don't take care of it. It's as simple as that. Because if we are creating or we're exerting energy, okay, and we're not making sure that we're taking care of our environment through CO2, carbon dioxide, through not choosing recyclable materials, then imagine what the world will look like in the next 20-30 years, right? So that's what sustainability is. Now, if you ask what examples, like my best favorite examples are the second Jacobs house by Frank, I'm gonna pronounce his name wrong, but it's the second Jacobs house by Frank Lloyd Wright in his Ronsbaum house. That's my best representation of what a sustainable design or architecture looks like. Now, I have one of the most concerns today regarding sustainability, which is the buildings today, they look modernish and not modernist. Now, there's a difference here, and the difference comes to authenticity, to style, to commitment, to representation. But you, as a designer, you need to create a design, a work of art that's pleasing to the eye, yet at the same time friendly, eco-friendly, and doesn't exert too much energy, and can be living for as long as you would wish for it to be. Because sometimes there are projects of designs that the goal is not for it to last very long, which is very few, but for the majority, you need your design to be standing up eco-friendly. So choosing materials is very key. Choosing your sun positions and direction and how you are utilizing what you have. That's what sustainable design means. It doesn't mean you have this really beautiful architecture, yet we know that design is not going to stay for more than 5 years, or for the next 20 years we know that it will, by maybe 15% or even 5%, it will be utilizing carbon dioxide. It will be exerting energy that will be destroying through not choosing wise materials or taking too much energy to the environment. There you have it.